Okay, so in the previous class we had done the general characteristic of Arthropoda, but the Arthropoda, as I said, it is the largest phylum, so it includes the variety of organisms. So we cannot simply study them in one go, except a few characteristics that their body is made up of chitin and their body is having jointed appendages and all. There are few characteristics which are same. Rest there are a lot of differences. So since the differences are many, we are further categorizing the phylum Arthropoda into 4 classes, and these classes are known as Crustacea, Insecta, Arachnida and Myriapoda. If I give one example, Crustacea include all crabs and prawns, Insecta include all butterflies and flies and mosquitoes and others, Arachnida include all scorpion and spiders, and Myriapoda includes all centipedes and millipedes. Just now I talked about the millipede there. Thought to bring it in the class to show you, but it is, since it is live, it will move away from there. So I thought, okay, now let it be. Okay, so Arthropoda is further categorized into this, and if we see their characteristics, that is where the habitat. So all the crustaceans are aquatic. Now remember, yesterday I said all the arthropods are well adapted to live on land. Okay? They are well adapted to live on land, but crustaceans have secondarily moved back into the water. उनको अपना ननिहाल पसंद आया, that is they went back to their granny's house. That is all the other aquatic organisms that evolved in water. ठीक है? So crustaceans were those arthropods which developed on land but moved back into water, and now they are well, and rest all are living on land. Okay. Now, if you see that the other those general features are same, that is that they all are triploblastic, they all have tube within tube body plan, they all are coenomid, they all have exoskeleton made up of chitin, they all have what you call what other thing is it, that is segmented body. Okay, so those things are there. those we are not writing. Talking about nutrition. So they will get their food from water, and insects they generally feed on liquids. ये भी liquids ही लेंगे, and they may eat debris. Liquid कैसे? They will be sucking whatever type. Now you might have seen a scorpion. It catches a fly. The fly will be still there in its web. What is gone? That is the inner fluid part. Okay, so that is butterfly. What it does? Does butterfly eat away flowers? No, butterfly only suck nectar. Okay, so they are, what do a fly do? A house fly. It sits on our food, it secretes saliva, dissolves the food, and that is being sucked out by the proboscis. If we talk about respiration, they have gills. They have insects, that is they have got trachea, arachnida, and they have buccal. Circulation is same, that is in all of them they are in open blood circulation, multiple hearts. Okay, and they will be simply no blood vascular system, no arteries, veins and capillaries. So blood simply flows in the hemocyte. Okay. If we talk about sensory organs, then they got antenna, antennae, they got eyes, they have got a balancing organ, that is The name of what is the this name of the balancing organ is there? Some cyst is there. Okay, somatocyst. Sensory organ, antenna, eyes, compound eyes, statocyst. ठीक है? STATOCYST. Stato means maintaining the same state or the stable state. Cyst is cell. ठीक है? तो these are the sensory organs. Excretion by Malpighian tubule. They are same in all. Malpighian tubule क्या होती है? If you see if you got a book with you, you just go to chapter number 9. I don't have 7. Chapter number 7, and there structure of what do you call insect cockroach is given, and in the digestive system of the cockroach, the digestive system where the large intestine, small intestine ending into or opening into the large intestine, there you will find a large number of thread-like structures. These are Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are those tubules which collect the waste from the hemocoel, the coelom, and put it into the large intestine. And we all know that large intestine is the organ where the water is reabsorbed. So the waste is simply put into the large intestine. There is no separate opening for the urine. Okay, so waste is excreted or poured back into taken from the coelom and put into the large intestine, from where the water is reabsorbed. So this is how they are maintaining their water content in their body. They are not letting the water go out, and essentially they all are excreting uric acid. Okay, so that is the excretion. And the next is reproduction. Now, since Crustacea is aquatic, so they will have fertilization external fertilization. Rest all will have internal fertilization. Only crustaceans have external fertilization. ठीक है? Insect will have internal fertilization. This arachnids will have internal, and mycopods will have internal fertilization. So rest all have internal fertilization. And larval stages are present in all of them. So development is indirect. Okay, and now the examples are given in your book here. That is this Bombyx mori, that is silkworm, and lac insect. Lac insect is there which gives lac. आपने देखा हो sealing lac, when you seal some parcel or something, the red color one. And then you might have seen, we all are from Rajasthan, and Rajasthan you must have seen that the ladies are wearing बैंगल, जिसको हम कहते हैं लाख की चूड़ियाँ. वो लाख नहीं होता, वो एक्चुअली लाख है. ठीक है? तो lac insect is actually secreting that substance which on heating it become elastic, and some color can be added into it, and this thing. Then apis, here these are economically important insect also. They have got economic importance also, and all of them are insect. तो apis क्या कर रहा है? Apis is that is honeybee. Honeybee is actually producing honey as well as bee wax, and both are having their importance. You all know that honey is the sweetening agent in most of the food items. It is a good preservative. It is used in several cosmetics. It is used in several medicines, especially Ayurveda medicines and all, and it has got its own importance. ठीक है? And wax is also, bee wax is also used for several purposes. It is used for polish, and it is used in making several different type of cosmetic products. Okay, then vector which causes diseases are there. That notorious mosquitoes, categories of mosquitoes are there. The Anopheles, cutex, Aedes mosquitoes. ठीक है? Then gregarious pest, that is locust, है ना? ये तो आपने this year we had an experience of locust. It even came in Kota, and many of your house must have also reached those locusts. ये ऊपर फोटो दे रखा है 4.12 figure number 1. These are those locusts, and they always come in bulk. ठीक है? Lakhs and lakhs of locust comes into a field, and within no time they eat away every product of the field. So they are the biggest destructor natural destructor. Then live fossil is limbless. ठीक है, तो ये तो you have to remember. And otherwise I will tell you the example, crustaceous examples I already done. That is the prawns and the crabs are there. Insecta, that is a variety of insect. Ant is there. It is not necessary that they will always have wings. Generally we misunderstand that is those insect will always have wings. No, it is not necessary. Okay, so but what is more important is if we talk about the appendages. Walking appendages. So crustaceans have got 4 pairs. They have got 3 pairs. Again 4 pairs and many pairs. And because of this many pairs, they are generally named as centipede and millipede. अब million तो होते ही नहीं है, centi भी नहीं होते हैं. Centi means 100 and million मतलब milli means, ठीक है, milli मतलब भी अगर 1000 तो part होता है वैसे तो, है ना, but here we are considering it is a million. Okay, so these are the number of pairs. So insects are those which have got 3 pairs walking appendages. So you can see in that locust, the figure of the locust, you can see 3 pair of legs. Okay, now we don't call it leg because they don't have bones. Crustaceans, they get 4 pairs now, but don't confuse with this prawn. Prawn is exception, उसमें काफी सारे हैं. But if you look at the crab, crab will have only 4 pairs. Then the spider is there, that is also got 4 pairs. ठीक है, so these are there. And millipede, centipede का photo नहीं दे रखा, you can easily see and in the practical also. If at all we will have practical, will show you कि क्या क्या होते हैं. ठीक है, so with this we come to the end of the arthropoda, the largest phylum of animal kingdom. The next is mollusca. Mollusca are known as the second largest phylum. ठीक है, it is the second largest phylum and it includes most of the shelled animals, the animal on which the body is covered by shell, but not necessarily in all the cases. Like octopus is there, squids are there. Now squids and octopus, you will not have any sort of exoskeleton made up of shells. Okay, but in general they are shelled animals. Okay, they are again classified into 3 categories. तो मैं उसको 3 जगह यहाँ पे छोड़ ही देता हूँ. The first 3 are general characters, which the first general characters we discuss about, that is they all are tetraplastic, they all have within new body plan, they all have unsegmented body, exoskeleton of calcium carbonate. Generally calcium carbonate make the shell outside the body, but in some of the cases it may even be formed in the form of calcium carbonate plates formed inside the body. ठीक है, which is giving them a sort of shape and all. ठीक है, so that is again an important thing. और क्या बचा है? सीलोम तो होगा ही, सीलोमेट है सबके सब and all. So I said now what to discuss those common features that will always be there. ठीक है, bilaterally symmetrical body होगा, triploblastic होगा. ठीक है, 3 germinal coelom is 2 coelom is present, that the segmentation is not here, that exoskeleton is present and all. Now we talk about nutrition. तो मैं इनको categorize कर देता हूँ 3 categories. कौन से हैं? Gastropoda, cephalopoda and bivalvia. क्या गैस्ट्रो मतलब गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम, गैस्ट्रिक एब्डोमेन. ठीक है, पोडा मतलब प्रीवियस वाले पढ़ाया था मैंने, आर्थ्रोपोडा. पोडा मतलब वॉकिंग अपेंडिजेस. ओके, नाउ if the walking appendages are found on the stomach, on the abdomen, not stomach actually, abdomen, then it is called gastro. If it is found on the head, it is called cephalopoda. And if the body is made up of two equal halves, shells, then it is called bivalvia. न्यूट्रिशन सभी के अंदर फिल्टर फीडिंग होगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द फिल्टर फीडिंग? सी देयर बॉडी इज हैविंग गॉट शेल, so they got a mechanism to bring the water in, and they got some sort of filtering the thing, उसको मेंटल कहते हैं. उसके अंदर ये जाके छन जाता है, एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर दे गेट देयर फूड. एलिमेंट्री कैनाल इज वेल डेवलप्ड. ठीक है, वेरी वेल डेवलप्ड एलिमेंट्री कैनाल इज देयर. रेस्पिरेशन इज ऑलवेज बाय गिल्स. Circulation is there, open blood circulation. Blood is generally containing क्या कहते हैं वो copper pigments, and they are generally blue in color. ठीक है. Sensory, तो they got antenna, they got eyes, they got the skin which is very sensitive. ठीक है. And excretion is done by antennal gland or green gland, they are called. A set of glands which are found just beneath the antenna. Reproduction, all is showing that external reproduction, that is fertilization is external. Larval stages are present. Okay. Now their alimentary canal has got a special character here, that is called radula. Now here, what is radula? Radula has got a teeth-like structure. ठीक है. So whatever food they take, they will be digested inside their stomach. तो हम कई बार सिंपली भाषा में कहते हैं इनके पेट में दांत हैं. ठीक है. तो दैट इज अगेन ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. तो बाकी ये जो चीज़ें हैं वो केवल इनका शेप के बेस पे कहें. करेक्टर्स आर मोर और लेस जनरल. देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक डिफरेंस फाउंड इन एनी ऑफ दीज. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट cephalopoda, it has got only one leg. It has got one foot. Even bivalvia has got 1 foot. But in octopus, they have got arms on their head. तो octopus है, नाम octo से आ रहा है 8. तो they got 8 arms on their head, and the arms even got suckers. So with the help of that, they can suck anything, मतलब they can stick anything, and they can put it into the mouth, and digestion will take place inside their body. ठीक है. So these are then octopus-like organism or some other members of this group phylum even have ink glands. सारे के सारे पानी वाले हैं. Any kind of water they will be found in. They may be found in the fresh water, they may be found in the backwater, or they are even found in the sea water. So ink glands क्या करेंगे? Ink glands जो है they secrete an ink whenever any predator come across them. So it creates something, a blurred image, and the animal cannot trace out where this particular organism is disappeared meanwhile. ठीक है. So that is a protective method which is found in them. I'll just simply read from here what is the second largest animal phylum. Mollusca terrestrial. Terrestrial कैसे हैं? क्योंकि वो moist जगहों पे रहते हैं. ठीक है. तो terrestrial aquatic, that is the marine or fresh water, having organ system level of organization. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate animal. Body is covered by calcareous shell and is unsegmented. So segment नहीं है. The body is distinctly divided into head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. Soft and spongy layer of the skin is forming over the body, that is called a mental. A thin सी layer होती है, that is called mental. ठीक है, which is covering the visceral part of the hump. The space between the hump and the mental, that is the place where the water fills, and that is helping in the respiration and all. So their gills are found. They are respiratory organ, and excretory function भी कई बार gills करते हैं, but with that they got green glands. ठीक है. Tentacles are present on some of the members, जिससे अपन ने बताया octopus में, है ना. And the mouth has got the file-like rasping organ, that is called radula. And radula, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, they are teeth-like structure. तो ये फूड वगैरह को तोड़ने के काम आते हैं. ओविपेरस है, डायोसिस है. डायोसिस मतलब क्या है? दैट इज द मेल एंड फीमेल आर फाउंड इन द 2 डिफरेंट एंटिटीज. एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए, तीनों ग्रुप जो हैं उनके एग्जाम्पल दे रखे हैं. पाइला किसका एग्जाम्पल है? पाइला इज दैट स्पाइरल वन. ठीक है. तो वो गैस्ट्रोपोडा का एग्जाम्पल है पाइला. ओके. पर्ल ऑयस्टर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बाइवॉल्विया ऑयस्टर. इस तरह का होता है, आपने देखा होगा, मोती होती कई बार. सम ऑफ द इमेज, even today this morning message which I sent, that was having that pearl only. So pearl खोलेंगे, वहाँ पे मोती निकलता है, तो pearl oyster. Then sepia, that is cuttlefish, which is an example of cephalopoda. ठीक है. Loligo, which is squid, again cephalopoda. Octopus, devilfish, that is also there. ठीक है. तो ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. ये जो डेंटालियम जो दे रखा टस्क शेल, ये किसी से भी चिपक जाता है किसी भी सरफेस पे, है ना. एंड काइटिन, द पिक्चर तो दे नहीं रखा काइटिन का, बड़ा गंदा सा दिखता है. चलिए हम पढ़ते हैं लास्ट ऑफ द, नॉट लास्ट, सेकेंड लास्ट ऑफ द phylum of non-chordate, that is Echinodermata. Now if you see you will find that starting from Porifera till Mollusca, the characters have kept on developing from the simplicity to complexity. The organisms have become more advanced. ठीक है. अगर आप देखें कि आज से 50 साल पहले जो कार मिलती थी मॉरिस, जो एम्बेसडर थी उसको मॉरिस नाम से आती थी, वो कैसी थी, गंदी सी. आज मतलब टुडे वे में थिंक कि यार व्हाट अ डर्टी कार, इट यूज्ड टू बी डर्टी लुकिंग, है ऐसी उबड़ी कुबड़ी सी. बट फॉर दैट टाइम पीपल इट वाज ब्लेसिंग, है ना. फिर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम न्यू फीचर्स है केप्ट ऑन एडेड. उस टाइम कार में कोई पावर स्टीयरिंग नहीं था, जोड़ लगाना पड़ा. पावर स्टीयरिंग वाज नॉट देयर इन इवन इन अर्ली 90s. ठीक है. इवन माई फर्स्ट कार विच आई बॉट 93 नेवर हैड पावर स्टीयरिंग. ताकत लगाओ, अच्छे हो जाते हैं मसल्स, डोले शोले. ठीक है. तो वो पावर स्टीयरिंग और पावर विंडोज वर नॉट देयर, टुन अभी भी कई कारों में आते हैं. ठीक है. बट नाउ दिस थिंग्स हैव बिकम एसेंशियल. AC car and non-AC car used to have a difference of 1 lakh rupees. So people never used to go for AC car. Now 20-30,000 में AC का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सो नाउ क्या है, आपकी कार्स कितनी अच्छी से अच्छी होती चलेगी. पूरी पुरानी कार नो AC, नई कार में AC आएगा ही आएगा बिल्ट इन. म्यूजिक सिस्टम पुरानी कार में नहीं था, नाउ बिल्ट इन आएगा ही आएगा. बल्कि बस जो डिफरेंस है वो है कि किसी में सादा म्यूजिक सिस्टम लगा, इन सब में फ्लोटिंग एंड सब में द स्क्रीन एंड ऑल. Now the new cars, we got camera, we got this system, that system, so many system, airbags, 6 airbags, 8 airbags, and this. So how the development has taken place as the time has passed. Similarly, the organism which have evolved starting from Porifera, कुछ भी नहीं था, neither tissues, organ system तो दूर की बात है, tissues भी नहीं बने, only a collection of cells. सिलेंटेटा 2 टिश्यूज बन गए. वो बहुत मॉडल मतलब उस जमाने की सबसे अच्छी कार थी वो, 2 टिश्यू वाली. फिर सिलेंटेटा का टीनोफोरा, फिर आया ट्रिप्लोब्लास्ट, बट विदाउट एसिलोमेट, देन सूडोसिलोमेट, देन ट्रूसिलोमेट, बाकी सब सिलोमेट हो गए. ऑल आर नाउ ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल, ऑल आर दैट इज. एंड फिर किसी में जो है सेगमेंटेशन मिला, किसी में नहीं मिल रहा. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा था, थिंग्स हैव केप्ट ऑन बिकमिंग एडवांस. इकाइनोडर्मेट्स क्या है, दे हैव मूव्ड फ्रॉम द मतलब दे आर ऑल एक्वेटिक. पहली बात तो हैबिटेट का है, दे आर स्ट्रिक्टली एक्वेटिक एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर मैराइन. पानी में, और वो भी कहाँ पे, समुद्र में मिले. ठीक है. अगर नाम को देखते हैं, इकाइनोस मतलब स्पाइन्स, डर्मा मीन्स स्किन, द स्किन विल हैव माइन्यूट स्पाइन्स व्हिच विल गिव द रफ अपीयरेंस. ओके. फिर वो क्या है, समुद्र में चले गए. समुद्र में भी कहाँ चले गए, इन द बॉटम ऑफ द सी. तो नाउ व्हाट आइज विल डू, देयर इज नो लाइट, रिड्यूस कर दो उसको. ठीक है. व्हाट वेयर दे विल गो, कहीं इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर भी क्या है, उनमें ट्यूब फीट बन गए. ठीक है. ट्यूब फीट इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया टू सच ए ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. तो व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ गिल्स सेपरेटली, तो चलो गिल्स का फंक्शन उसके अंदर मर्ज कर दो. व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन, that function also you give to the tube feet. So they are highly reduced. ठीक है. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो है उनमें बहुत तेजी से रिड्यूस हो गया. पढ़ते हैं, देखिए क्या लिखा है. द एनिमल है endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles and hence their name Echinodermata, that is spiny bodied. फिगर तो आपको दिखाई देगा. मेरे हिसाब से एक्सोस्केलेटन होना चाहिए, एंडो लिखा है. ऑल आर मेराइन विद द ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एडल्ट इकाइनोडर्मेट्स आर रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल. दैट इज अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर. दैट इज द बॉडी इज रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल. व्हाट यू कॉल starfish. It is not fish, but you can cut it from more than one plane into 2 equal halves. ठीक है. सो एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दे रखे हैं A and B, दैट इज एस्ट्रियस एंड ऑफिटूरिया, नहीं ऑफियूरिया, ठीक है। तो ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं यहाँ पे दे रखे हैं। एंड इसके अलावा क्या है, देयर अबाउट अ वेरी स्पेशल फीचर, वी हैव टू स्टडी दैट स्पेशल फीचर ओनली। एक स्पेशल क्या है इसके अंदर, रेडियल सिमेट्री। दूसरा स्पेशल क्या है, सारे मेराइन है। तीसरा स्पेशल क्या है, सारे बॉटम पे चले गए, पैरमा वैरमा नहीं आता है, नो फ्लोटिंग ऑर्गन, बट दे गॉट वॉकिंग ऑर्गन। व्हाट आर वॉकिंग ऑर्गन, ट्यूब फीट। व्हाट इज द ट्यूब फीट, देखते हैं। ये हमारा स्टारफिश, starfish has got mouth at the lower surface, ventral surface, mouth on the ventral surface, anus on the upper surface, because they eat on the debris, जो सारा गंदगी है on the bottom of the sea, they just eat that only, ठीक है। And then from there even they take water, and that water then goes to each of these. Now I am just making it for the sake of study, understanding. You can just write on the YouTube tube feet in starfish, and you will be seeing the beautiful structure which are found in there. So body takes water, and the water will be filled into these channels. And if you see here, from each of these there is a balloon-like structure hanging. So when the water is filled in this, the balloon will also be filled. That is called tube feet. ठीक है, मतलब ये मैं तो बहुत दूर दूर बना रहा हूँ, and I am making such that you can see. But in reality, if you see, there are thousands and thousands of tube feet in one arm. So many in number. तो सपोज आप एक बांसुरी ले लें, बांसुरी, और उसके हर छेद के ऊपर एक एक बलून फिट कर दें, क्योंकि फिक्स से नहीं लगा सकते, रबर डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा, टिप्स लगा दी। एंड इफ यू ब्लो एयर, ऑल द बलून्स विल फ्लो। छोटे छोटे बच्चों के नहीं आते पोपाड़ी वाले, एयर बढ़ते घूर करके खुल जाते हैं, फिर निकल। सिमिलरली व्हेन द वाटर इज फिलिंग देम, दे ऑल इन्फ्लेट एंड दे बिकम हार्ड, देन दे कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर मूविंग पर्पस, ठीक है। If water filled in this, so they will be used for walking purpose. And when the water is removed from it, sit, बैठ जाओ, fold हो जाएंगे। Now they increase the surface area to the very great extent, and hence they will help in the exchange of gases, dissolved gases, and from the water, oxygen will be taken in, carbon dioxide will be given out, waste will also be discarded from there. The three functions they are doing. That is the locomotion, excretion and respiration, ठीक है। तो that is a very important thing for this echinodermates. बाकी जो सेंसरी और इंसरी है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो गए हैं। डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज कंप्लीट विद द माउथ ऑन द लोअर, दैट इज वेंट्रल, एंड एनस ऑन द अपर सरफेस। द मोस्ट डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर इज द echinodermate is the water vascular system, which will forming this type of structure, helping the and tube feet which help in the locomotion, capture of food and respiration, सब काम यही कर लेंगे। excretory system is absent, sexes are separate, reproduction is sexual, fertilization is external, larval stages are present, ठीक है। अब इन्हें पैराग्राफ बना दिया, आप टेबल फॉर्म में बना लो, वहाँ पे जैसे पूरी एक टेबल बनाएंगे, वन टेबल ऑन वन पेज, वन बिग शीट and stick it on the wall, and every now and then when you see it, within 3 days you will learn the entire animal kingdom. The chapter seems to be so big, which in class 9 terrified you, but now it is so simple, ठीक है। तो आपको थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठना पड़ेगा। when you see the terrains on the land, आपको घूम घूम के देखना है तो आपको थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है। एंड जस्ट टेक अ ड्रोन, फिक्स अ कैमरा एंड उसको घुमा दो, एंड यू विल कम टू नो वेयर द नाली एंड वेयर द गली एंड वेयर द हाउस एंड वेयर द बिल्डिंग एंड वेयर शॉप एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल कम टू नो। और नहीं तो फिर गूगल के कैमराज पे देख लीजिए। तो जैसा आप थोड़ा लेवल से ऊपर उठ जाओ, व्हेन यू आर इन क्लास 9th यू वाज फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट, 10th में आए बोले यार ये किसी बात है क्या था, 11th में आए बोले अरे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, हम तो इतना पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है, तो ये है, तो यू हैव टू राइज लिटिल अप, है ना, थिंक ये कुछ भी नहीं है। एग्जाम्पल पढ़ लेते हैं, क्या है, एसटीएस दैट इज क्वेश्चन, स्टारफिश कहते हैं, इकाइनस विच इज नॉन सी अर्चिन, देन एंटीडोन विच इज सी लिली, ये नाम याद रखना है इनके, कॉमन नेम है ना। देन कुकुरबिटा, कुकरमेरिया, ठीक है, अब इसको कहते हैं सी कुकम्बर, एंड ऑफियोरिया दैट इज ब्रिटल स्टार। तो दीज आर द कॉमन नेम्स। ओके, दैट मोर देन इनफ फॉर टुडे, 5 मिनट एक्सटेंड हो गए, सो लेट मी स्टॉप माय क्लास हियर। थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन।